Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the new JUTC service to St Thomas. Now recently the JUTC got in some new buses, so they have started a route to St Thomas. And with the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway, which is going to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway, you can get from Kingston to Morant Bay or St. Thomas on a highway. So that has also helped in the decision of the JUTC to go to St. Thomas. And other private bus companies like Knutsford Express are also starting a service. I'm not sure if they've started already, but they are now starting a service to St. Thomas. So the building of this road has definitely opened up St. Thomas to a lot of investments. And just to give you an example, KFC never had a location in St. Thomas before. They are now setting up a store because of the highway. Hilo Supermarket never had a store. They're setting up one now because of the highway. You can get to St. Thomas so much easier now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the JUTC new St. Thomas routes. More than 5,000 commuters traverse the Jamaica Urban Transit Company's new routes to Yalos and Morant Bay in St. Thomas during the first week of the historic service. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, who toured the routes and described this turnout as remarkable. The response so far has been overwhelming in terms of the reception to the bus service, and that is something that I am very pleased about. The report that I have for the first week of operation, 5 days to be exact, is that there were over 5,000 persons that used the JUTC buses, which is remarkable. The one to Yalos was almost 3,000 and the one to Morant Bay was a little over 2,000, he reported, pointing out that that's just a start. People are still getting their smarter cards to be able to benefit from the reduced rates, and there is a keen interest in the routes. What is also important is that the buses stop along the way, so it's not a straight journey from downtown Kingston to Yalos or to Morant Bay. They stop at all the necessary points where there are commuting and potential traffic, the minister added. Mr. Vaz boarded the 7:20 a.m. bus from Yalos Square to Morant Bay. In Morant Bay, he visited the Church Street and Wharf Road bus stops, as well as the Morant Bay police station, where smart fare card sign-ups and top-ups are currently taking place. This is a really bright day in St. Thomas this morning. I'm glad I came, and I am very, very pleased with the results so far, he stated. Meanwhile, Mr. Vaz advised that the test runs have been undertaken for the potential expansion of the JUTC service in Maypen, Clarendon, and Williamsfield, Manchester. We'll hear more about those in the coming days. This is a commitment to keep up with the infrastructure that the government is putting in to make sure that there is proper, reliable, and safe transportation for those routes as well, he stated. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And you see the demand for the service. 5,000 people in the first week. So can you imagine when the Morant Bay Urban Center opens up, how many more people are going to use the service? Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.